Hello again. Today is an off topic. Today will be no lesson, but it will be an off topic. We will talk about debugger. Yesterday we saw how to read a value and how to add a value in assembly, but we still didn't see how to debug our code. We relied only on the program output. Debugger. What is a debugger first? Over here I have Visual Studio open. Visual Studio is a C, C++, C# IDE by Microsoft. A debugger basically is a tool that will make your life easier to see the bugs that you have in your code and to step instruction by instruction in your code to see where did you make a mistake. So let's take for example this little small example that I have here. It's a game of life, cellular automata. So for example, if I want to debug this code, I can just pause the code and I can step into the code line by line. I can just step line by line and I will see what happened into the code. I will see basically what happened in the code, and I can understand what is going on. I can see all the syscalls. I can see all the calls from other DLLs. I can see the values of each variable. For example, this is the call list. I can go to, for example, this variable, and I can see what each value is, so that I can better understand what happened, if the program crashed or there is a bug. So in assembly, it's the same way. Basically in Linux there is a program called GDB. So to install again a program in Linux in a Debian distribution, so we just sudo apt install GDB, my password, and I already have GDB. So basically let's see I was working on the next lesson about the arrays, and I wanted to debug my program. So I'm working on the next thing that I will show you. So to debug my program in assembly, if I do a mistake, I will just have a segmentation fault. I will not have any other information, but I can use GDB to see what happened. So let's take for example this. So over here I have my hello world.esm, hello world.o, and the a.ouch. So I will just GDB a.ouch. Okay, and I can put the command layout esm assembly, and I can put the layout red. So the layout ASM will show me the assembly instructions being executed, and the reg will show me the content of the registers. So for example, if I type start E, it will start the instruction, and from now on I can just put NE, which means next instruction, and I can see what in each register there is and what instruction it's over here. A lot of those values are hexadecimals, but we can just convert them to decimal. And there is a lot of cheat sheet online that we can see. There is a lot of commands in GDB. So this is all. I just wanted to show you what is a debugger and how we can use a debugger to make our life easy, to make our coding life easy. And we will see you in the next lesson about converting char arrays or char buffers into integers that we can work with. Goodbye.